10 mistakes you should avoid to ban your Amazon affiliate account. Rules of the Amazon Affiliate Program. One of the most well-known affiliate programs is the Amazon Associates Program. You can like or detest it, but the truth is that if you send people to Amazon as an affiliate and do it well, you can earn a good commission. I know you hate reading things like terms of service. Who doesn't? Even if you take the time to read, you won't understand most of what it says. Terms of service explain the rules, what to expect, and where the limits are. They tell you what you can and can't do with your service provider. Amazon doesn't make it easy to figure out how its rules work. They are on 6 different pieces of paper. All of these papers add up to more than 25 pages. When it comes to banning affiliates who have done the wrong thing, Amazon can be pretty harsh. Amazon accounts are often closed for good, making it impossible to make money on Amazon again. If you are an Amazon affiliate or want to become one, keep an eye out for these 12 big mistakes that could get you kicked out of the program. Amazon affiliate mistakes you need to avoid. Before we get started, I'd like to draw your attention to a few key points. First and foremost, kindly read over the Associates Operating Agreement and the policies page accompanying it. It can be challenging to grasp, but is vitally necessary to do so because it is the rules you must go by to participate in Amazon's affiliate game. Second, we are not legal professionals, so please do not take the notes that are provided below as professional legal advice. They are our interpretation and knowledge of the situation. If you want to be confident about something, you should consult a lawyer. Third, we will concentrate on the Amazon.com Associates Agreement, which was only recently revised to be compatible with the programs in Canada and Europe. However, each of the regional affiliate programs has a contract. Because there are some changes between them, you must read each arrangement carefully if you want to localize your affiliate links. Last, the Amazon Associates Operating Agreement is a living document periodically updated with new information. Always make a point to read the emails that Amazon sends you. We've developed a list of 12 common mistakes that newcomers make. This post will save you time while pointing you in the proper direction. By avoiding these blunders, you can achieve success in affiliate marketing sooner than you imagined. Let's get started. Number 1. Auto tag A-frame automatic cookie install. Amazon by default stores cookie information for users who click on your links and end up on Amazon. If they click the link and look around Amazon for 24 hours, the cookie will still be there. If they put the item in their cart, the cookie will last for 90 days. An affiliate business can be manipulated like many other things in this world. If Amazon thinks you are doing something suspicious, you will be banned and could even be taken to court. Number 2. Using Amazon links in emails or other messaging services. Using your affiliate links in private chats is another error Amazon affiliates make. You can do this with other affiliate programs just fine, but not with Amazon. Even if you promote one of your books or items, you are not permitted to utilize Amazon links in emails. Although I have seen some people accomplish it, I wouldn't take the chance. Suppose you automatically send your blog post to your email list after publication. In that case, you must ensure that no links are visible in the message portion that recipients can preview, also refraining from WhatsApp link sharing. Number 3. Including links in ebooks or PDF documents. These two media are simple to access offline, just like email, which is a big no-no for the placement of Amazon affiliate links. It has been noted by several users that Amazon forbids emailing links but makes no mention of ebooks, making this rule somewhat confusing in the past. However, the Amazon account agreement states that no oral solicitation shall be made in any written material, mailing, SMS, MMS, email, or email attachment. Number 4. Using link shortening or link cloaking. Amazon takes affiliate audience misdirection very seriously. As the reputation of Amazon depends on how affiliates recommend customers to the site, Amazon wants users to be aware of where they are being directed. Amazon forbids link shortening because it makes it unclear to users where you are sending them, namely to Amazon. That is expressly stated in Amazon's 30th participation requirement. You won't conceal, alter, spoof, or otherwise disguise the URL of your website that contains special links. Number 5. Have more than one account. Amazon only lets each person have one account. This is to cut down on spam and ensure that their bans are taken seriously. Depending on the type and size of their business, some business owners may be able to get an exception. Feel free to call Amazon and ask them to let you off the hook. Number 6. Mentioning price in content. You might not think it's a big deal to talk about prices in your content. That's not a good idea in the Amazon affiliate program. Amazon often changes the prices of things. Putting prices in your content means that your site will look old when prices change. In the Amazon operating agreement, this is what it says about how prices are shown. If you want to show prices for any product on your site in a comparison format, you must show both the lowest new price and, if we give it to you, the lowest used price at which the product is available on the Amazon site. If you don't want to, you can't put prices on your site. Number 7. No sales in 180 days. Once you join the Amazon affiliate program, you have 180 days to sell at least one product. If you don't, you won't be an Amazon affiliate anymore. You can apply again to become an Amazon affiliate at any time in the future. If your associates' links don't lead to a sale within 180 days of signing up, your application will be taken away and you won't be able to use Associates Central. Number 8. Promote Amazon with copied content. Amazon wants to know that affiliates only share links on suitable sites. This means that Amazon won't like your site if it only has content copied from Amazon, if it's just ads, or if it doesn't have any applicable content. When you sign up as an Amazon affiliate for the first time, your site will need to meet specific quality standards. As long as you keep up that quality level and ensure your site has original content and not just copies of other sites' content, you should be fine. Of course, you can use essential information, comparison tables, or your text and reviews, but you shouldn't copy and paste large parts of a product description and put them on your niche website without changing anything. Number 9. Buy paid search placements. In their associates operating agreement, Amazon says the following about paid search placements. This kind of paid placement can do a lot to make your site more popular, but it can also lead to an affiliate ban right away. So be careful when using paid ads to bring people to your niche site. Number 10. Violate Amazon's trademark policy. If they think you are breaking their trademark rights, Amazon can quickly shut down your affiliate site, no matter how big it is. To be clear, Amazon owns many trademarks, but not all are related to the word Amazon. Kindle and other proprietary products are also trademarked, and you can quickly break these trademarks by putting trademark information in your website's domain name. Number 11. Choosing low-demand products. Market research is an essential part of affiliate marketing as a whole. It's the most crucial part of any plan. Do the analysis first before getting your hands dirty with other things. Amazon sells millions of items in thousands of different categories. If the research isn't done right, you might get too busy and your project might not work out. You should choose products that are popular on the market and that people need often. Aside from that, don't bother with products that are in low demand and cost a lot. Number 12. Giving no attention to SEO. SEO is the gas that keeps your blog's engine running. If you can do it right, nothing can stop you from being successful. Even with affiliate marketing, if you ignore SEO, it will hurt you. On-page optimization is an essential part of search engine optimization. It will help your organic SERPs and keep your site safe from the penalty if the sites that link to you aren't doing anything wrong. In the same way, you can't ignore getting backlinks from relevant sites with a lot of authority. Make sure people can find your website on social media and that they talk about it a lot, sharing posts, commenting, etc. Becoming an Amazon associate is a straightforward method for adding another source of revenue to your site. You want to get started as quickly as possible, so if you feel tempted to skip reading all of the do's and don't, it is also quite tempting to take shortcuts to speed up making money. However, you can ensure that you will be able to continue doing this over the long run and continue producing passive income from your site in the years to come by avoiding the common pitfalls associated with affiliate marketing. It would help if you remember that this video is not meant to scare you. It's like showing you a chasm and a pitfall so you know what to expect on the road you'll start traveling. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.